Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we will be revisiting the Arrma Granite GROM, the small monster truck that kicked off Arrma's GROM series. Although small in size, this truck kept a lot of the big features like a clipless body, four-wheel drive drivetrain, oil-filled shocks, and many more. I bought one early and I went kind of crazy with the upgrades. I even tried a 4S power system on it. But once the Typhoon GROM arrived, it ended up on my shelf. As you can see, it's a really beautiful truck. The body looks great, the clipless system is fantastic, yet I always felt like it was missing something. And then, boom! Proline came out with the sector, wing, and roof skid set. For about $25.99, you get everything you need. Wing, mount, and two roof skids to boost performance and protection. Proline's testing shows the wing increases forward traction and high-speed stability, while its large end plates adds side bite and the multicolored graphics let you match your paint scheme. Made from tough plastic, the wing bolts on using pre-drilled holes, and the roof skid keeps the GROM body from being scraped during those rollovers. We're going to keep it simple. I'm going to unbox this kit, bolt it on, and let you see what it looks like. Okay guys, so we got everything installed. Everything went on really easy. Those are the stickers that I put on mine. May change them out. There may be a little bit too much red, black, I don't know. This thing is really stable. Sturdy, is not going anywhere. The wing itself goes on really easy. All you need is a 2mm hex. Remove the parts, very simple, goes on really easy. Now with these parts, you'll have to put your own holes here. I'll show you what I used. So I got this piece in the spot that I wanted it in, and then from there, I just used my pin vise to go ahead and start holes. After, I just used my Arrma to make that hole as large as it needs to be. Very simple install, guys. It's gonna add quite a bit of protection. Performance, it should add performance as well. I think it came out really well, and it looks really good. What do you guys think?